friends, thank you so much for stopping in on today. On today's video, you will see me clean my area because I have a new rug and I'm taking out the old rug. It's a 5x7 and yes, I know it's off scale. And I just didn't change it because I did not find the right rug that I needed for this area. And so I finally found the right rug. So before I put down the new rug, I have to clean this area. So it's going to take a little time. Thank you so much for stopping by today. This is my Clean With Me video, and as I transform my living room by adding a new rug, and yes, this 5x7 rug is a little heavy. I thank all of my faithful friends and loved ones who follow me on this YouTube platform. And if you're new today, thank you so much for stopping by. And if you find anything interesting, please don't hesitate to subscribe, like, and always leave a comment. When you leave a comment, I can come back and support your channel. I do believe in helping others. I hope y'all having a blessed and prosperous day. I want to share with you this steam mop that I bought from Walmart over a year ago, and I'm telling you, it is the greatest. It is so easy to clean these floors, and trust me, I really don't care for these floors too much because they get so dull looking. But when I steam mop and then sometimes I add some floor shine to it, it brings it to life. So if you're looking for a good steam mop, I bought this from Walmart, and I will leave the link in my description box. I'm not getting paid, guys, to tell you this. I wish I was, but this is really an honest review, and I love these steam mops. And even if you don't get a shop brand, get some kind of steam mop if you're a busy mom or a parent that constantly have to clean and take care of your home, especially if you have children. I highly recommend a steam mop. Another thing I love about this is that when you turn it on, it only takes probably about 30 seconds or more. It's not long to steam up. And these are washable pads. And you wash them in your washing machine. And I just put a little bleach, but it will not get white, but they still get pretty decent. So just want to share that with you. And you always can get replacement pads if you need to. And make sure you use distilled water in your steam mop. It says that it's supposed to help it last longer. And anytime you buy any kind of investment like this, make sure you put the Walmart insurance on it, guys. For 2 to 3 years, it will pay off. So when you buy these vacuums and mops or electronic things, please put insurance on it so that'll cover you. So I hope that y'all are having a blessed and prosperous day, and I hope y'all enjoying this video. So guys, thank y'all for coming with me with my Clean With Me on today. I am trying to do more cleaning videos on my channel and more budget-friendly videos and saving videos because we got to save our money. And here is my new rug. Trust me, I love it, but unfortunately when the first one came, it was damaged. It was two-tone colors. You couldn't tell in the picture, but I had no problem in sending it back. I'll have the link in my description box. Guys, I caught a great deal on this rug. It's called a Floral Damask rug, and the original price was $279, but then I saw it was $150, and then it went down to $100. So a few days later, this is me unwrapping the new rug. And I was eyeing this rug for the longest. And let me tell you, I had no problem in returning it. I took it to the UPS store. I had no problem. Them exchanging it. And I must say that, and sometimes those things happen, guys. And I know when you unwrap these rugs, they will be wrinkled. So I expect that. But the two-tone colors, nah. I was looking at this for a while. So patience is a virtue. Just be patient. Write the vision down on what you're trying to do. So there's still some other things I want to upgrade in my living room, like my tables. But I'm just waiting to find the right ones. So friend, I hope that this has been a great motivation to you to clean your home. Look, we're trying to turn our house into a home, and the main thing that is needed in a home is love. Friends, I want to thank you for spending this time with me. Thank you for watching. Love you and have a blessed, prosperous day from Penny. God bless you. Bye-bye.